Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching some important days in August month. First date 9 August, Quit India Movement Day. A call given by Mahatma Gandhi to the people across India came together to uproot British imperialism. 11th August, National Daughters Day, to remind and honor our women and girls. 15th August, Indian Independence Day, to commemorate the independence of India from British rule in 1947. 20 August, National Sarvabanna Divas, to collaborate the birthday of Rajiv Gandhi. 29 August, National Sport Day, to celebrate the birthday of famous hockey player Dhyan Chand. So, these are some important dates in August. Now I am completing my short lecture. Namaskar.